how to fix SteamVR stuttering. You have to do a few things. First, open up your computer search and search for View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. Then right here, Performance, you want to click on Settings. You will go into Advanced once more. Now, Virtual Memory, you want to click on Change, and you will uncheck this and select Custom Size. Now you want to check how much RAM you have. If you don't know, you can search for System Information. See how much RAM you have. This is going to be your RAM. So I have 32 gig. So basically, you will type the least amount which you want used. For me, I'm just going to do 10,000. It's going to be in megabytes. And the maximum, I will make it something like 28,000, just as an example. And you want to click on Set, and then you will click on OK. Once you have done this, we can proceed to the second thing, which is going to be opening up Steam, searching for SteamVR, right-clicking, going into Properties. Now you want to go into Betas and Beta Participation. Click on None, change it to this. It is going to update it. And the last thing that we have to do is open up our computer search for graphics settings, click on graphics settings, and right here you just want to uncheck this option. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.